I and you. And don't forget who. What is a pronoun? Pronoun, a word that takes the place of a noun, is called pronoun. I and you and don't forget who. What is a pronoun? A book written by Brian P. Cleary, illustrated by Brian Gable. He is a pronoun. She is a pronoun. Even lil o me is a pronoun. So is I, so is you. Whom and they and we and who. Just like a substitute teaches your class, when she is asked to fill in for your teacher, a pronoun steps in as a sub for a noun, becoming the star of the feature. Pronouns can save us a boatload of words and help to avoid repetition. They stand in for Venice, Mary, or spaghetti because that's their specified mission. Without them, we'd say, Anne's father surprised Anne and bought Anne a spotty new truck. Anne got so excited that when Anne first saw it, Anne couldn't believe Anne's good luck. Now Anne is a really big fan of her name, but even she would have to agree Anne, 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 Anne. These phrases could sure use a her here and there and perhaps an occasional she. Personal pronouns stand in for a noun, like Mrs. McKinley or Grady. He could be Stephen, I might mean Josh, they could be Bonnie and Brady. Sometimes a pronoun is very possessive. This cookie is mine, it's not hers. Demonstrative pronouns help point something out, as in this, these, and those are all yours. Indefinite pronouns tell about people and things without being specific, as in someone around here is quite a good cook and something in here smells terrific. Nothing and all are indefinite too. So are anyone, no one, or any. Everyone, none, several, somebody, some, both, neither, nobody, many. If it helps form a question, it's called interrogative, a very inquisitive pronoun. What are you looking at? Who is your daddy? Which road do we take to the hoedown? Who can replace words like he, she, and me? It's a pronoun that's constantly doing. Who ordered pizza? Who spilled the popcorn? Who started the audience booing? Whom takes the place of them, him, and her? And the action is being done to it. With whom am I speaking? In whom can I trust? To whom would you like me to glue it? So, like a pinch hitter or a good babysitter, the pronoun will say, you can go noun, I've got your job covered. Aren't you glad you have discovered the helpful and practical pronoun? So, what is a pronoun? Do you know? The end. Thank you.